Hello everyone. The Apex Court has dismissed the president's bid to challenge Parliament's report into PhalaPhala, which made adverse findings against him. President Cyril Ramaphosa applied for a direct access to the Constitutional Court to challenge the three-member Section 89 report on the PhalaPhala saga. The independent panel report issued in November concluded that there was prima facie evidence that Ramaphosa may have committed a serious violation of the Constitution, law and serious misconduct in connection with his alleged involvement in the stashing of millions in undeclared foreign currency on his PhalaPhala farm in Limpopo. Ramaphosa asked the court to declare the report unlawful and set it aside, particularly its finding that he may have been involved in impeachable conduct. However, on Wednesday, the Court, in its short judgment, stated no case has been made for exclusive jurisdiction or direct access, and the main application was dismissed. Consequently, the application to intervene falls to be dismissed. Ramaphosa had continuously avoided going into details about the PhalaPhala saga and had maintained that he was not directly involved in running the farm. In January, the EFF filed papers in the Constitutional Court opposing Ramaphosa's bid to review Parliament's Section 89 report. The EFF has since welcomed the Constitutional Court's ruling. The party's spokesperson, Sinawo Tambo, said from the beginning, we as the EFF knew that Mr. Ramaphosa's approach to Constitutional Court was irrational and senseless because he was asking the highest court in the land to prevent Parliament from holding him accountable on the many crimes committed in PhalaPhala. Parliament has an obligation to find out and reveal to the people of South Africa as to origins of the millions of dollars found in Ramaphosa's farm and also expose the nefarious role played by members of SAPS and the inaction of other important state institutions. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.